Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito lang po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful as a reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan sinusubaybayan ng pinakamag Renzo Tarot Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're okay. I hope you're healthy and safe. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ay reading po para sa ating mga pinakaman na nasa sign ng Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Para sa inyo to, I know that you're so excited and you're so happy. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, ay don't hesitate po to comment, like, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe po para mas lalong lumago po ang ating channel at mas lumawak ang reach ng ating mga videos. Sige, ulitin ko, this is for you, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Takes what only resonates. At kapag hindi kayo nakaresonate, ay pwede nyo naman kunin ang energy ng inyong signs sa ibang mga readings natin. Okay? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, please give me 10 cards for Leo. Okay? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Oh, nagpakita. 10 cards please for Leo. Sa mga bago po sa ating channel, baka magtataka kayo bakit parang ang gulo po ng ating reading, ng ating shuffle. Yes, don't worry po. Diyan po tayo komportable at diyan po tayo nakakakuha ng mga magagandang barahan na nakaka-resonate po ang karamihan. Okay? Balik natin. Gusto natin isa lang yung tumatalon or nahuhulog na baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 9 cards more please for Leo. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Hindi po ako magsasamang pasalamat po sa inyo sapagkat kung wala po kayo, wala pong success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Lalong-lalo na po ngayon na muli po tayo nagbalik at ngayon lang po ako nakapag-uploads pero napaka-overwhelming po ng inyong support na binigay po sa inyong likod. Maraming salamat po. Pag ganito po, babalik po natin. So, 4, 5. So, 5 cards more. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angel, Sisters. 5 cards more. Okay, 4. Apat pa. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 4 more cards, please. 7, 8. 2 more cards, please, for Leo. Spirit Universe. So, yun nakita natin. At isa pa. 1 more, please, for Leo. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides. Ayun, kompleto na. Now, your 10 cards are complete. And without further ado, I know tagal yung hinintay ito. Pasensya na wala po tayong upload kahapon. May inasikaso lang po yung lingkod. Okay? Sige, Leo. Okay. Queen of Wands. So, I can see her, Leo, na parang you will embark in a journey of emotional transformation. So, ibig sabihin, Leo, kung lately ay parang nabawi mo or na-regain mo yung energy, yung confidence na parang medyo nawala sa'yo. But now I can see, Leo, na sabi ko nga, you will be embarking in transformation in terms of emotion, maturity, sa mga decision-making na gagawin. At the same time, I can see her, Leo, na parang magiging wise, magiging matalino. At the same time, hindi na basta-basta mamanipulate or maloloko or maaabuso. It's because you have grown so much based on your experiences. Basis natuto ka, ang laki na natutunan mo base sa sitwasyon na yung pinagdaanan, how people treated you, how people used you. That's why talagang you have matured enough. So that's why I can see her na, Leo, nung tutuloy-tuloy ang iyong transformation in terms of emotions. Okay? So, 3 of Wands, now you are now you are ready to face the reality. So, handang-handa na raw kayo para harapin ang anumang hamon ng buhay or sitwasyon with full confidence. Okay? So, sinabi ko nga, diba, Leo, it's because you have matured now. You are now filled with so much confidence. You are now so strong. Napaka-talino nyo, napakatapang nyo na ngayon. Wala na kayong kinakatakutan. Tinanggal na nyo na lahat ng doubts and fears. What is this, yung mga frustrations, disappointments, hindi ka nagpapa-apekto na. And of course, it's like you're now the kind of Leo na talagang any kind of situation na ibato sa inyo universe ay ready na kayo. Harapin ito without any hesitation. Okay, here you are, ayan, no? Handang-handa ka na. So, oh, this is very beautiful card, the Moon. So, Leo, I can see her that with this moon card, marami ka ring matutuklasan, marami kang makikilala or malalaman sa mga bagay at sitwasyon sa paligid mo na parang lately ay parang itinago sa'yo or parang hidden sa iyong kaalaman. But this moon card is about reality. It's about clarity of especially related din to sa emotions mo. So siguro may mga parang pagdududa ka, or you have some doubts for the past months or for the past days, now it will be revealed. Malalaman ang katotohanan, walang maitatago. So Leo, and I know, di ba sabi ko, ready ka naman to face the reality kung anong matuklasan mo, haharapin mo ito, or ma-accept mo naman ito ng buong kalooban. Okay, it's because you're very wise naman, hindi ka naman basta-basta mag-react sa mga sitwasyon na parang hindi mo naman i-consider yung dahilan o aalamin or papakinggan yung mga other side of the story. Okay? But this moon card represents the revelation for you, Leo. Okay? So, tingnan mo, yung unang barahan natin, Queen of Wands. Now, here is the King of Wands. So, kung sa Queen of Wands nakita ko, sinabi ko kanina, there's kind of lay na may maturity na in terms of emotions and decision making. Dito sa King of Wands, nakikita natin na it seems na may mga Leo na talagang medyo parang discreet pa. Okay, parang medyo may konting uh, hesitations pa, parang may konting mga pagdududa pa sa worth nila, sa pagkatao nila. You need to cast that away. Okay, although you are a king, although you're in the hierarchy mode, parang maraming nagtitiwala sa iyo, maraming naniniwala sa galing mo, and it seems that parang deep inside your personality, parang ikaw mismo ay parang may doubt ka sa sarili mo, or parang may konting, may konting confusions pa about if you can do it. But sinabi ko nga dun sa Queen of Wands, you need to face the reality, but sabi ko, the universe will be giving you the courage, okay, na lakas ng loob, at the same time confidence. That's why this King of Wands also represents, aside from the doubts, the small doubts that you have on your life as of now, Leo, kailangan mo ding matutunan na uh, you should learn, or you should understand that things in this universe do not work on the way we wanted. Siguro, kaya may konting disappointment ka because sa sobrang expectation mo, or parang kasi because nag-expect ka ng ganito sa ganitong panahon, ganitong oras, ganitong paraan mangyayari yung mga minmanifest mo, but it's not working on your way. That's why. But lagi mong tatandaan or alalahanin na, Leo, hindi lahat ng bagay gusto natin ay makukuha natin sa the way na gusto natin. There's another path, another way na ibibigay yan sa universe. Okay? That's why yan yung pag-aralan mo with this King of Wands, on how to accept and at the same time to manage your expectations. Okay? So, we have here the Knight of Cups. This is victory, success. So, yan, no? Talagang may kasagutan sa mga manifestations. May mga wishes na magagrant is because here, you came from a war, a battle, but you overcome the adversity na pagtagumpayan mo, at the same time, ikaw yung nananalo, ikaw yung nagtagumpay, maiuwi mo ang kampyonato or the championship. You're holding a cup. The cup represents achievement, success, victory. So you don't need to worry, Leo. You just need to face the reality. Sabi ko nga, kung ano man ang malaman mo, matuklosan mo sa mga susunod na araw, whether it's good news or positive news, you need to face it. Okay, with full confidence, with positivity, kasi alam mong lahat ng bagay ay hindi yan ibibigay ni universe na walang dahilan. But since lumabas yung Knight of Cups, you are assured that any manifestations you have as of now will be given to you, will be granted for you in the universe perfect time. Okay? I hope na nasusundan niyo, at kapag ulitin ko po, kapag nakaka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo, like and share niyo po, napakalaga ng like and share, and of course, ang pag-subscribe po sa ating channel. Sige, let's continue, Leo. So, we have the Judgment card. So this is this card signifies that, sabi ko, ulitin ko, connected dun sa Knight of Cups, there's a wish being granted. So kung may malalaman mo na yung resulta ng paghahatol, malalaman mo yung resulta ng matagal mong pagtitiis, or so maybe you're waiting for the result, okay, for a certain thing na pinaghirapan mo or you worked for the past time. Siguro grabe yung binuhos mo ditong effort, time, At the same time, your energy have been drained with this thing. But with this Judgment card, sinamahan pa, magkasunod pa sila na Knight of Cups, Leo. I'm telling you again, if you still have doubts, if you still have confusions about sa bagay na to kung para ba sa ito, I am telling you, it will be given to you. You are assured of it, but you need to have the courage. Kailangan mo lang lakasan ang loob mo. You need to have the discipline of waiting, the patience. This is the best time para ipairal mo or pag-aralan mo na what is this, haba ng pasensya. Kasi baka mamaya kung kailan parating na saka ka mag-give up. Okay? But I'm telling you, Leo, you are assured that it will be given to you. Okay? So, we have here the Eight of Cups. So, ayan, so, this Eight of Cups is just showing na talagang marami ka pang gustong marating sa buhay, marami ka pang pangarap. So, it seems that you are grinding or parang talagang parang you're working very hard just not only for a certain dream but it's a lot of things na gustong mangyari. Hindi lang to para sa isang bagay but napakaraming gusto mong makamit or gusto mong makuha. That's why it's not only for you but for your family members. This dream is not only for you but for the people you love. That's why here you are, busy-busy ka daw talaga na at mabibisi ka pa sa maraming mga bagay na gusto mong subukan. But I will relate it again to lift your mood up. So whatever things na gusto mong gawin, of course, maaring maghirap ka dyan pag naanan ng hirap. But because of the Judgment at the Knight of Cups, ulitin ko, it will still be working on your favors. Of course, kailangan natin paghirapan, kailangan mo nang dumaan sa butas ng karayom, but still napakasarap na alam mo na guaranteed ka, you have been promised na talagang yan ay ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? This Eight of Cups, you're unstoppable. You still have a lot of things you want to work for you. So that's not a bad thing. Walang masama na talagang mangarap ng mas malaki, mas matayog o mas marami pa as long as ikaw naman kaya mo paghirapan ito or talagang ipaglaban to. So there's no question about it, Leo. Okay? So we have here the Seven of Pentacles. So this is a very good card because nakikita natin dito na in terms of finances, you are not worrying or you don't need to worry in terms of your resources. May stability ka sa pera, hindi kahit paano may nadudukot ka in case na parang may emergency or kung whatever. So you are not worrying about paying your bills or whatsoever. You don't have debts. Actually, merong lady dito na parang may utang man pero minimal lang. So here, this Seven of Pentacles signifies that there is an stability, magtutuloy-tuloy ang katatagan ng pundasyon ng kapirahan mo. So, magiging maganda ang flow ng kita or income or whatever business you have. So, in terms of career, kung ano man trabaho na meron ka, so that will continue to give you a very stable source of income. So, kung ako para sa'yo, Leo, you need to upgrade also your skills para mas doble or triple pa yung income na pumasok para sa'yo. Okay? Don't worry about money. So, talagang Leo, katapat pa sila ng moon card. So, no, you don't have questions. It is very clear. Wala kang doubts in terms of finances. So, oh my God, Leo, Ace of Cups. New beginning, transformation, new milestone. So, maaring Leo, may mga bago kang talents or skills na matutuklasan. Talagang you will be surprised na kaya mo palang gawin. So, maybe if you are planning for something new, to branch out a business, to lumipat ng bagong trabaho, to move out sa isang bahay or to buy a new property. So, everything will be working for you with this Ace of Cups, Leo. Talagang that is a good decision. That is a very wise move if you are waiting for a sign sa mga bagay na yan. So, here, this Ace of Cups is telling you to go for it. So, talagang there's something new, something fresh for you, Leo, na talagang will elevate your position or parang at least somehow will cheer you up na okay, ma-realize mo, okay, malayo na talaga. Although malayo pa, at least malayo na talaga narating ko ngayon, Leo. Sasabihin mo yan sa sarili mo. Okay? And let's end your reading, your very beautiful reading with this 10 card na 8 of Swords. So, I can see here, Leo, na there are some of you na parang medyo may mga pinagdadaanan in terms of emotions or anxiety or whatever stress. So Leo, that is manageable. So human as we are, part ng buhay natin ang ma-stress, dumaan sa mga problema, dumaan sa mga pagsubok, but it's how you're going to respond with it, or it's how you're going to deal with it. But to cheer you up, that was just a minor lang yan, kayang-kaya mo yan. Ang tingnan mo is the bigger picture, these big blessings that is waiting for you, na parating sa'yo, na ibibigay sa universe. The Ace of Cups, new beginning. So Knight of Cups, judgment, wish being granted, fulfillment, victory, success. Okay? So matatabunan yung mga worries mo, yung pag-aalala mo ng mas malaki, mas maraming mas mabunga ng achievement and success, prosperity, abundance na parting sa'yo na ibibigay ng universe. Okay? And that was a very beautiful reading, Leo. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Leo ang makapanig ito ngayon para at least matulungan natin sila sa kanilang kasalukuyang pinagdadaanan. At kapag nakarelate po kayo or nakaresonate kayo, please don't hesitate to comment and of course like and share. Subscribe na rin po ating channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pamamahal. Mga pinangamakang soulmates, nasaan mo kayo ngayon naroon, ano pang ginagawa nyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.